Hello, I am Dr. Sigar Kanti. In this video, we test the convergence of some sequences. This is an example. Show that the sequence an defined by a1 equal to root 2 and an plus 1 equal to root of 2 into an converges to 2. We have to show that limit of this sequence is equal to 2. Okay. So here given that a1 equal to root 2 and an plus 1 is given. In this, if I put n equal to 1, I will get a2. So a2 is equal to root of 2 into a1. Root of 2 into a1. This is equal to root of 2 into a1 is defined. That is root 2. And definitely this is 2 into root 2 because root 2 is greater than 1. Therefore, we write this is greater than root of 2. Root of 2 is equal to a1. So, we have proved that a2 is greater than a1. a2 is greater than a1. Now, we use the mathematical induction process here to show that it is monotonically increasing sequence. Okay. So, for that, we have verified the result for n equal to 1 here. Now, assume that an is greater than an minus 1. Just we have to prove that an plus 1 is greater than an. Then, by mathematical induction, this proves. We are assuming that an is greater than an minus 1. This implies multiplying by 2 on both the sides. Yes, we can multiply 2 into an is greater than 2 into an minus 1. And I can take root on both the sides here without changing this inequality. Root of 2 into an is greater than root of 2 into an minus 1. Then what is this root of 2 into an? It is nothing but an plus 1. And this is root of 2 into an minus 1 is nothing but this is our an. So an plus 1 is greater than an. This is true for all n. So therefore, by mathematical induction, we can say that the given sequence an is monotonically increasing sequence. And if it is monotonically increasing sequence, and if it is bounded above, then we can say that it is convergent sequence. So here we consider a1 is equal to root of 2. Definitely root 2 is less than 2. So a1 is less than 2. Again, we use the mathematical induction method here. We assume that an is less than 2, that is an is less than some quantity, and then we try to show that an plus 1 is also less than 2. So we show that 2 is the upper bound here. So a1 equal to root 2, which is less than 2. Assume that an is less than 2. This implies an plus 1 is equal to root of 2 into an. This is by definition. This is less than 2 into what is an here according to my assumption? An is less than 2. So here less than 2 into 2 means less than 4 here. That is root of 4. Root of 4 is equal to 2. So finally what I put here is an plus 1 is less than 2. I have assumed that an is less than 2. And I have proved that an plus 1 is also less than 2. So by mathematical induction, we can say that an is less than 2 for all n. This shows that the given sequence is bounded above. The given sequence is monotonically increasing sequence and it is bounded above. Therefore, it is convergent. Then we find the limit. So if it is convergent, then limit of this is equal to limit of an is equal to unique and finite quantity L. Say L. Now we have this relation an plus 1 is equal to root of 2 into an. This implies limit an plus 1 as n tends to infinity is equal to limit n tends to infinity root of 2 into an. This implies this is equal to L. Okay, limit of an plus 1. We have taken limit of an equal to L means limit of an plus 1 is also equal to L. L is equal to root of 2 into what is the limit of this? This is equal to L. Okay, L is equal to root of 2 into L, or squaring I will get L square equal to 2L, or taking all the terms to the left hand side, we write L square minus 2L, that is L into L minus 2 is equal to 0. This implies L is equal to 0 or L is equal to 2. L cannot be equal to 0 because increasing sequence, the given sequence is increasing sequence and first term is equal to root 2, therefore it cannot be equal to 0. Therefore, the only possibility is L minus 2 must be equal to 0. So that limit of this sequence is equal to 2. This I have to write equal to. Okay, just a minute. Equal to. Okay, and next example, show that the sequence an defined by a1 equal to 1 and an equal to root of 2 plus an minus 1 converges to 2. a2 is equal, so here in this if I put n equal to 2 here, I will get a2 equal to root of 2 plus a1. I am putting n equal to 2. Okay, a2 is equal to root of 2 plus a1. This is equal to root of 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. This is equal to root of 3. This is greater than 1. So that is a2 is greater than a1. a2 is greater than a1. Now we assume that an is greater than an minus 1. And this implies adding 2 on both the sides. 2 plus an is greater than 2 plus an minus 1. And taking the root of 2 plus an is greater than root of 2 plus an minus 1. This is nothing but our an plus 1. This is nothing but our an. So an plus 1 is greater than an. This is true for all n. Therefore, we say that the given sequence is monotonically increasing sequence. And then, if we show that it is bounded above, then we can say that it is convergent. Now, so by induction, it is monotonically increasing. Now, a1 equal to 1, 1 is less than 2. So, a1, we assume this is true. a1 is less than 2. This is true. We assume that an is also less than 2. And this implies an plus 1 equal to, so here I will take an is less than 2. Adding 2 on both the sides, I will get 2 plus an is less than 2 plus 2, 4. Okay. And taking the square root on both the sides, root of 2 plus an is less than root of 2. Root of 4. Root of 4 is equal to 2. So that is here. An plus 1 is less than 2. An plus 1 is less than 2. We have assumed that an is less than 2. And we have proved that an plus 1 is also less than 2. So by mathematical induction, an is less than 2 for all n. That means an is bounded above. And hence it is convergent. To find the limit, I will go to this relation. A relation is given. This is the relation. So on to this relation, I will take the limit. Limit of an equal to limit of root of 2 plus an minus 1. So as this is convergent, then its limit is finite. L I have taken. Okay. So limit of an is equal to L. Now an plus 1 can be written as the root of 2 plus an. Taking limit, I will get limit of an plus 1 as n tends to infinity is equal to limit of root of 2 plus an as n tends to infinity. This is equal to L equal to here root of 2 plus L. Root of 2 plus L. Squaring I will get L square equal to 2 plus L. L square equal to 2 plus L. Or L square minus L minus 2. Okay. Is equal to 0. And this gives this quadratic equation. Solving I will get L equal to 2 or L equal to minus 1. So L cannot be equal to minus 1 because this is a monotonically increasing sequence and the first term is equal to 1. So L cannot be equal to minus 1. Therefore, only possibility is L must be equal to 2. So the limit of this sequence is equal to 2. Another example, show that the sequence an defined by a1 equal to 1, an plus 1 is equal to 4, an plus 6 divided by 3, an plus 4 converges to root 2. Now here, if an converges, then its limit is unique, say L. Okay, an converges, if an converges, then its limit exists and it is unique. Let me denote this by L. So that is limit of an as n tends to infinity is equal to L. Just we have to find out the value of L here. What is this L? So limit of an plus 1 as n tends to infinity equal to limit 4an plus 6 divided by 3an plus 4. This is our L equal to 4L plus 6 divided by 3L plus 4. And this implies, taking the cross multiplication, we write and simplifying, we get 3L square plus 4L is equal to 4L plus 6. This is equal to 3L square. Okay, 3L square. 4 and 4 gets cancelled. Minus 3L square equal to 6, or L square is equal to 2. L square equal to 2. If L square equal to 2, then we get L is equal to root of 2. So root of 2 is the limit of this sequence. Therefore, it is convergent. Similar example, show that the sequence an defined by a1 equal to 1 and an plus 1 is equal to 4 plus 3 into n divided by 3 plus 2 into an converges to root 2. So if an converges, then its limit is unique, say L. That limit of an as n tends to infinity is equal to L. Limit of an plus 1 as n tends to infinity equal to limit of 4 plus 3 into an divided by 3 plus 2 into an. This is equal to L equal to 4 plus 3L divided by 3 plus 2L. And taking this cross multiplication, 3L plus 2L square plus is equal to 4 plus 3L. That is 3L gets cancelled. 2L square equal to 4 or L square equal to 2. If L square equal to 2, then we have L is equal to root of 2. So the given sequence is convergent and its limit is equal to root of 2. Okay. I'll stop here. Thank you.